Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to crochet a click fidget toy. The little alien is approximately 7 centimeters tall and can be used as a crocheted brooch, a fridge magnet, or a keychain. You will need 3-ply yarn, 2.5 millimeters crochet hook, needle, scissors, and 5 or 6 centimeters hair clips. Let's begin. If you can't handle abbreviations, please turn on the subtitles. Start with magic circle or magic ring. Chain 4. Count like first stitch. Do 17 triple crochet stitches. In total will be 18 stitches. Close the magic circle, then join with a slip stitch on top of first stitch. Chain 5. Do 1 slip stitch in second chain from the crochet hook. Do 3 half double crochet stitches. Skip next one, then do 8 slip stitches. Chain 5. Do 1 slip stitch in second chain from the crochet hook. Do 3 half double crochet stitches. Skip next one, then do 1 slip stitch and fasten off. Skip 1 stitch, then join second color in next and chain 3. In same space, do 1 double crochet stitch. Do 2 double crochet stitches in each of next 2. Chain 3, then turn. Do 4 double crochet stitches. In next one, do 2 double crochet stitches. Chain 3, then turn. Do 5 double crochet stitches. In next one, do 1 double crochet stitch, chain 3, 1 slip stitch, then fasten off. Hide the tails of yarn and shape it well. Repeat the pattern and do a second part. Place them back to back, align the stitches, and sew them together. You can use filling instead of hair clips, and you can add keyring. For the collar, start with a slip knot and chain 20. Start with third chain from the crochet hook and do 18 half double crochet stitches. Wrap the collar around. Join with a slip stitch, then fasten off. I hope you enjoyed my crochet tutorial. Have a nice day and see you soon.